All right, today we're going to bring a mini blender, and this is a great blender to take on the go. So you're rushing out and you want to make your own smoothie, and you want to drink it on your way to work or driving to a distance, or maybe just enjoying for the day. Very simple to put together. Out of the box, I recommend you just rinse it off. Just make sure that dust is not, or any packing dust. So make sure you're aware of that. Now they do give you a charger. You connect it here for charging, and the power on button, very simple to set up. Now it's a twist, and also on the bottom there is a silicone ring that you need to take off once in a while and wash it, because mold does grow underneath other stuff, and just make sure you're aware of that. That's another cleansing that you have to do. The straws, they give you 2 silicone straws, so these are dishwasher proof, and also including with it the brush, so you could pass the brush right in through between the actual straws. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how it works. Right here, I forgot to mention that it's a safety mechanism. There's a magnet here that lines with the actual bottom. So just be aware that if your blender does not turn on, it's because you haven't set it up the magnet properly. All right, here's the alignment. The line has to be lining up. When you do line it up, it lights up just a little bit, right? So let's go ahead and set up our ingredients in here and set it ready to go. All right, we're gonna actually add crushed ice, not big chunks of ice, because this system is smaller.
It comes in multiple colors, but pink is my personal favorite.
Very simple to charge too. Make sure you charge it after you clean it. Now the bottom base is not waterproof. You got to make sure you separate that. But the best thing about it, it has a safety mechanism. It won't turn on. And it does have a cover, a silicone cover, where it has to be charged. So like that, it came with extra straws. That's a plus. I hope you guys enjoy the video.